Usapang budget phone tayo today, and ang hawak ko dito is si ZTE Blade V50 Vita. Itong phone na ito is a budget-friendly phone, and a word of warning, this is a very entry-level phone. But it can definitely perform on day-to-day tasks. And by the way, itong phone na ito would be priced at around mga 5,000 pesos, so tara, pag-usapan natin. So itong ZTE Blade V50 Vita na may 4 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage will be priced at 5,499 na I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Na pagdating sa kanyang design, I would say na it's not really that bad kasi makita mo ang kanyang camera module is a design of its own. Ang likod niya is matte finish and na may grip I would say. And ginanda pa na dito ang kanyang power button na may color red. Bonus na rin kasi meron siyang audio jack dito sa ilalim. Now, pag sinunod ko naman kanyang card slot, hybrid siya. No? So, either dalawang nano SIM o isang nano SIM plus isang micro SD. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the Unisoc na T606. And I would say na itong processor na ito is just simply good for day-to-day usage. And binigay siya ng 222,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. And if we break it down, this is not so bad naman kanyang thermals and it throttled to 94% ng kanyang max performance. Ito nakuha ko sa Geekbench. Ito naman nakuha ko sa GPU benchmarking na Geekbench. Now, this phone has a 5,200 mAh of battery, can support up to 18 watts na charging. And well, the phone na ito basically can last you the whole day without charging. And nung sinalang ko to sa battery stress test, binigyan ako ng 14 hours and 25 minutes na screen on time, which is pretty not bad. Now, the phone na ito has a 6.75-inch na IPS LCD which has a 90 Hz of screen refresh rate and it also has a 87 na screen-to-body ratio. Probably the only thing na hindi ko gusto dito is teardrop notch pa rin, 2024 na guys. And ang kanyang chin is quite thick. Now, if you're the type of person na mahilig sa social media, this phone is just simply good enough for you. Kasi browsing it on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, I would say okay naman siya. Dahil ka na sa high refresh rate. And even though na this one is just an IPS LCD, I would say na yung kanang quality na IPS LCD is not so bad. Scrolling on Reels, watching shorts is definitely a breeze dito sa phone na ito. And if you like to watch mga videos dito sa YouTube, I would say ma-enjoy mo rin naman together with the whole family. Now, since itong phone na ito only has one loud sparring speaker dito sa ilalim, tara subukan na natin gano'ng kalakas ang kanyang loudspeaker. Honestly, not bad. Hindi siya sobrang hina, but hindi rin siya ganong kalakas. Now, trip lang, naglaro ng isang game dito, Call of Duty Mobile, and this is the graphical settings na pwede natin i-set. And the gameplay is just okay. Hindi naman siya sobrang smooth, katamtaman lang. And expect mo na there are some frame drops along the way. Kasi medyo hindi talaga pang gaming si T606 ni Unisoc. But it was able to give me some okay na moments dito sa Call of Duty Mobile. Playing after 30 minutes, I would say okay siya. Pero mafe-feel mo pag medyo tumatagal ang laro mo, medyo nagiging sluggish yung game. Napag-usapan natin quickly ang kanyang camera. This one has a 50MP na main camera sensor, 2MP na macro, and 2MP na depth sensor, which can shoot up to 1080 and 30. And again, ang front-facing camera is a 8MP na main camera sensor which can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. Now guys, itong ZTE Blade V50 Vita has a very basic na camera. So, let's just start off with some outdoor shot na nakuha natin. And this is probably one of my favorite shot, itong bato na ito. I would say, for a camera at this level, to be able to take in some, well, details like this one is not so bad for me. Pag tinignan mo naman tong leaves na ito na kinuha natin, well, medyo a little bit faded yung kanyang color, but yung kanyang background blur is pretty decent. If you take a look dito sa flower na ito, I would say ang ganda ng details na preserve dito sa kanyang pollen once you zoom it to a certain level. No? But if you zoom it further, medyo makita medyo blurred na siya. Some other flower shot, it looks decent. And what's nice, nung kinapture na itong dahon na ito, I would say na okay siya. Hindi siya saturated like the other cameras na nagamit natin. Up to a certain level, medyo sharp naman kayo ng details. If you move in indoors, taking some shot like this one, medyo makita mo yung kanyang bokeh sa likod. It's just enough. Hindi siya sobrang blurred na bokeh na sobrang ganda. It's just the right amount, and mas makita mo pagdating sa low light, okay naman itong camera to can perform. And on some shot like this one, medyo low light siya, but it still gets the job done. Now, kinuha ko itong mga beans na ito and was expecting na medyo madilim siya, but to my surprise, it still was able to capture in some nice details dito. Hindi super detailed, but good enough for its price point. Now, taking this shot, this is a normal shot, and this is a 2x zoom shot. Now, if you zoom it in a little bit, makita mo medyo a little bit grainy na yung photo. If you're using the front-facing camera outdoor, I would say okay naman, decent, but it's just right enough for its price point. Further, taking some shot like this is okay, decent, and this one is also another good shot. Pag zoom in mo, medyo makita mo may pagka-soft ang picture niya. Now, on indoor na medyo may kunting ilaw, okay naman ka ng shot. Pag medyo madilim rin ang shot, just like this one. Now, using his front-facing camera to take a vlog, masasabi ko it's soft. And panning around, it's just okay. Medyo a little bit shaky, if you ask me. If you're using the rear camera to take a vlog, I would say okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya super shaky. And to a certain level, yung kind of focus. There are times na may mapapansin mo may kunting pagka-focus hunting. But very minimal lang naman. On some certain occasion lang naman. But overall, yung kanyang quality is not bad. Now guys, ano masasabi nyo dito sa ZTE Blade V50 Vita? I would say na kanyang price point is just enough. Hovering around mga 5,000 pesos. Itong phone na ito would be able to be a good daily driver dahil ZTE has made a name for itself. And by the way guys, I heard that this phone, ang kanyang brand, ZTE, would be rebranded to Nubia pretty soon. This Q2 ng 2024, if tama naman ang balita ko, no? And yeah, I love the name Nubia. Probably better than ZTE. Probably it's because of some history here in the Philippines that you can probably research it. But overall, the phone na ito, for its price point, I would say solid, not so bad, and quite good naman phone na ito. Big screen and makunat ang kanyang battery. So if you're interested to buy one of these, I'll be popping it on the description box below kung saan pwede siya mabili. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.